Somebody play 23 by Renee Rapp, because guess who just turned 23?
My wish is that I cared less at 23.
Okay, so I've decided to take 23 as kind of like a solo birthday year. For my birthday, we're gonna see the Miffy Fountain. It's actually the Austin Contemporary, but they have the Miffy Fountain there. And for my birthday, I want to either buy a Miffy lamp or a jelly cat keychain. All of my bags have keychains.
Bridge over water, I am jumping on.
I have this Miffy and I have Zenitsu. I found this at a Five Below. Fun fact. I add my Sinjin drowning one. Hold on. I just spoke to Tommy in it. To give a shout out to Makari. He gave me $10. That money, I used it to buy a Sinjin drowning keychain that somebody was reselling. Isn't that so cute?
I won.
It has a little Sinjin drowning. Like, isn't that so cute? I'm not gonna front. Kayla knows I don't know how to open this darn keychain. I don't know how to put this on. Like, I can see that there's like this thing here. Apparently I'm not bright enough to understand how to like hook it onto things. I mean, I understand like putting it with another keychain and like, you know, like looping it together, but I feel like you're supposed to be able to open it and I don't know how, but that's fine. So cute. It's gonna go on my bag. I'm so excited.
Frozen yogurt. Yo girl suck me go-gurt.
Afterwards, I'm gonna head over to Mozart's Cafe and I'm gonna get myself this chicken salad because I've been thinking about it. I've been dreaming about it for a while. After that, they are playing Pride and Prejudice. I have not watched it. I know I'm late to the game, but I might watch it for a little bit and then I'm gonna come back. Anyways, that's on the agenda. I'm very excited so I've made it to the Contemporary. That's so pretty. I'm listening to my little playlist and honestly it's eating right now. It's eating, guys, but I just saw the Miffy Fountain and it was so cute.
And I'm crazy for you. And love me.
So I did a lot, but I couldn't film because I got really nervous in public. But now I'm driving back. Windows are down. 1975 is playing. It's a good day. Okay guys, I went to get a pizza for myself and then oh my gosh, she gave me a discount because it was my birthday. I'm like, okay. I went to H-E-B so I can get myself a little Diet Coke, okay? I was checking out. There's this one guy and like I felt like I just knew him. I just like, he looked so familiar and like it's driving me nuts. Sinjin drowning. I'm a fan, okay? I have the freaking keychain in my purse right now. Hoover! Hoover? I think his name is Hoover. Well, not his real name, but like, you know, his name is Hoover. I'm like 25%. 25 is that's a quarter. I'm 25% sure that I just saw Hoover at the H-E-B checkout. Do I know if he still lives in Austin? No. Do I know that he did live in Austin at one point with the Quarry sisters? Yes. If that was Hoover, oh my gosh. Girl, you're funny. You're so funny. I hope that you end up with Sabrina Carpenter one day, some way, somehow. My birthday's been okay. I didn't really film a whole lot. Mainly because, like, I'm just a little too shy and insecure. Like, I tried and I just couldn't do it. Now I'm gonna go to work.